Myself Khushbu Jain from biology. Today we discuss the respiration in human being. Respiration is a physical and chemical reaction. What is the mean by physical and what is the mean by chemical? Physical and chemical reaction. Physical means breathing, while the chemical reaction means oxidation of food. So we can say respiration is the process by which atmospheric oxygen enter in body cell and resulting oxidation of food and production of energy. So types of respiration, two types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic, O2 present, anaerobic, O2 absent. In aerobic respiration, glucose converted into the pyruvic acid by the glycolysis, and these pyruvic acid further converted into the CO2 and ATP by Krebs cycle. While here in anaerobic respiration, glucose converted into the pyruvic acid, but there is absence of O2, so there is no Krebs cycle, there is fermentation. In human after the fermentation, lactic acid form and 2 ATP, while in yeast ethanol, 2 ATP and CO2. In aerobic respiration, 38 ATP form and here 2 ATP. Steps of respiration. Breathing and external respiration. Second, internal respiration. And third is cellular respiration. In external expiration it is occur between atmosphere and lungs. एटमॉस्फेयर से CO2 और एटमॉस्फेयर से ऑक्सीजन लंग्स में जाती है और लंग्स से CO2 एटमॉस्फेयर में वापस आती है. इंटरनल रेस्पिरेशन, लंग्स से ऑक्सीजन ब्लड में जाती है और ब्लड से CO2 वापस लंग्स को दी जाती है। इन सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन ब्लड से ऑक्सीजन टिश्यू को दी जाती है एंड टिश्यू में उस ऑक्सीजन का यूज ऑक्सीडेशन के लिए करा जाता है। In next, we discuss the respiratory system of human.